Mob, yo, what's poppin', bro? What's good, man? It's your boy Davey, Matt Fly, 2 Y's, man.
Oh, you know the vibes.
What you got next?
I don't even know. Yeah. You know the vibes of whoop-dee.
Back in the Mob Museum, finna drop off that fire, broski. You know what I'm saying? I got some fire. Need y'all to hit the like button for your boy. You know what I'm saying? If you got a thumb, hit the like button. Look. Hit your hand if you see thumbs, hit the like button or the dislike too, that's cool, man. If you new, make sure you subscribe and notify with a notification bell on. I don't want you to miss nothing, bro. I'm giving away a whole bunch of stuff once I hit 18,000. So yeah, bro, y'all can get your boy there. I'm gonna look out for you, man. Salute to all my OG junkies, day ones, new members alike. Check this out, bro.
That's split back there.
Check it out, bro. Got some new Yeezys on deck. We got them. You know what I'm saying? We got them. I hope they good, bro. I really hope they good. I think the last Yeezy I got was either the linen or the sage joint.
Quit smoking so much, baby. The smoke will take you out of here.
And I've been liking the 350s a lot here lately. Like, I've been liking them, bro.
Part of me having acting the pro. Part of me having still acting pro.
It's a couple pairs that dropped down care too much for it. Like, everybody like the Yeezus, the Yeetills or the Yeeshus or whatever. I ain't like them. But I was liking the Yeezreels, you see what I'm saying? Ain't nobody like them joints, so I don't know. There's been a couple of them dropping that's pretty cool. And the ones that I like a lot, I've been lucky enough to get my hands on them. So that's pretty tough, man. That's pretty tough.
For real, I'm gonna fuck with you. Alright,
You know, and pat myself on the back for that. Give yourself a pat on the back if you hit that like button, cause you're a real one. You know what I'm saying? And you got thumbs. So let's see what's up with it. Straight from
These nuts. Got him! Got him!
Adidas app. They're doing the confirm thing now.
What the fuck was that?
Bro, I'm like 10 points away from icon status. Now they're doing this confirmed stuff.
You big dummy.
That's trash. But yeah, 350 on the top of the box, boost at the bottom.
What's next? Give me something else.
Y'all know, typical 350 boost box. The label reads YEEZY Boost 350 V2 Israfil ISRAFI. You know what I'm saying? And the name of it is the Israfil, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's the Israfil. You know what I'm saying? Y'all might know how to pronounce that better than me. Check it out though. Yeah, y'all might have a better hold on that than I do. That's the name of the janks right there, cuz. All that out the way. Focus on your boy. Focus on your boy. One time for the one time. Nope, that is not your boy. There we go. But yeah, man, we got him, bro. Ain't nothing else in the box. No receipt or none of that, bro. I don't know why. Adidas not sending paper receipts, so if you want to have, you know what I'm saying, proof of purchase, just print out your email or go to the app and, you know what I'm saying, print that out, take a screenshot, whatever you need be. But whoa, hold on. What's this? This new. Hold up. This something else right here now, bro. A special knitting process. Creates a one-of-a-kind pride knit upper for every pair, ensuring everybody. No,
You stupid.
ensuring nobody else has one like these. Oh wow.
Boy, if you don't.
6.5 hours later.
So let me read that again, cause I'm Davey Mayweather and y'all know I can't read.
Bro, just go for it right now. Hurry up.
A special knitting process creates a one-of-a-kind prime knit upper for every pair, ensuring nobody else has one just like these.
Oh my god.
This shit came with a little pack. Oh, they came with extra laces, bruh. What? Y'all hit us with some extra laces? Since when? That's hard, bro. That's hard. I don't want to hear no lip. I don't want to hear no lip. Look, bro. If y'all think my little shoes fake or whatever, just go to anybody else who got a real pair and see if theirs came with laces in this little card too.
Respect my authority!
You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I don't fool with no fake shoes. But that's crazy. Respect to everybody who educates us on the real versus fake and what to look out for. Is definitely, you know what I'm saying, a place for that on the tube, but I only deal with the real. Bruh. This is a first. I ain't know they did that. I ain't watched nobody else review on the sneaker neither. So bang, let's look at it. Check them out. Hey, these kind of bussin', bro. These hard. I like this one.
That's split. That's the split back.
Yeah, I like these. I get jiggy with these, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let me get a little deep dive in them. Outsole got its own thing going on. It ain't gum, but it ain't like, yeah, that's a whole new vibe going on the outsole. It's like a translucent tan. And then we got this smoke gray. This smoke gray capping in the boost. Man. And it's like a steel bluish type color, bro. This gray got like a slight blue hue to it. With this copper. We got like a copper tan. It's crazy. It's kind of hard to describe, bro. It's like in between brown, tan, and pink at the same time. That's the best way to describe this color. But hey, yeah, these pretty hard, bro. I want to see a Mama Bear rock with them. Hold up, bro. It got a lace. Hold up, bro. It got a lace lock.
What the fuck was that?
It got a lace lock, bro. Hold on. Oh wow, these got a whole new lace setup, cuz. Check this out. Anybody showed y'all this shit? This is something different. This got a whole new little lace setup going on. Like, what's this? It got a sneak lace lock, like a lace holders. Is this to keep the laces in place?
Oh, what the?
Yeah, this got, hey, I don't know, boy. They done took it to another level with these. And I really haven't seen nobody point this out yet. So it's some modifications being made to this V2, bro. This 350 V2. Don't sleep on it. Let me get you a little close up look at him. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna check them out up close real quick. Cause they coming with some extra bells and whistles now, bro. We coming with some extra bells and whistles now. You know what I'm saying? They've been hitting us with the little transparent stripes and all that, with the color in the transparent stripes, reflective stripes. That's cool, that's tough, but this new little gig going on with the lace lock, it's like a holder to actually keep the lace tips in place. You see what I'm saying? They got a plastic holder, then it got like a knit holder or like a nylon holder too. And it can it be removed, bro? How you swap out the laces? Like, they put extra laces in the shoe, but I don't even see how you supposed to get to it, to get to the extra laces without like destroying this. You see what I'm saying? What is this called? We gotta figure that out, man. I gotta get up with somebody from we gotta get up with somebody from Adidas, bro. We gotta get up with somebody from Adidas, cause this is very interesting what's going on right now, and I really don't know how to put a hand on it. And let me see this card. Do it say anything on the card? Nope. No, it don't. It don't say nothing on the card, bro, about what's going on with the lace lock. It's like literally a lace lock where the laces are literally locked, bro. Like, you see what I'm saying? You can't pull it apart. And I feel like if you pull this apart and damage this, then it's no way to get it back to this. Like, if you want to swap out the laces, let me see what color laces came with the joint. Oh wow, the same color laces came with it. Yeah, bro, the same color laces came with it, so what the bro, literally the same exact color laces came with it. It is something crazy going on with these Yeezys, bro.
For real, I'ma fuck with you.
Alright, what?
And if anybody got any information for me, put it in the comment box. But I'm finna go do some homework and tap back in with y'all. I was gonna do the on foot and the typical YouTuber, shootuber. Nah. We gotta go deep with this. We won't have to come back to the drawing board with these. You know what I'm saying? Hey, appreciate y'all time. Hit that like button for your boy if you ain't hit it already, bro. All my OGs, youngins, day ones, new members alike. What I will say, these joints fire though. They fire. I mean, you know, I'ma hold on to them for just a little. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we gonna hold on to them. Now, if I just look and the numbers going by $400-$500, then you know they gotta go. Like, we ain't tripping. But it's time to go. You know what I'm saying? It's time to go. What is up with this? What is up with this shoe, bro? What is up with this lace lock? I'm telling you, I ain't never seen this before. Hold on, bro. Just to show y'all, like I've never seen this before. This little plastic piece is covering this, and you can't pull the laces out of this without, like, you know what I'm saying, busting it up. So yeah, they done did something different, bro. They done did something different. I can't even loose lace the joints, bro. I can't loose lace them. I literally cannot loose lace them. That's crazy. Alright, I'm gone. Ouch. Do. Not war. Peace.